Choosing the right trigonometrical function to work out the values of side lengths. Here we have three examples. We are going to find the missing side lengths correct to three significant figures by deciding which one of sine, cosine or tangent to be used. Let's start with the first one. Okay, look at what we have given in the example. This is a right angle triangle. One angle 43 degrees is given and hypotenuse of length 5.8 meters is given, and x, which is a side length, is wanted. And according to the 43 degrees, it is the adjacent side. And 5.8 was hypotenuse. Then let's write SOYGÜR. And this side, sine, cosine or tangent, is useful in this example. Hypotenuse and adjacent together is used for cosine. So I'm going to take cosine of 43 equals adjacent over hypotenuse, which is x over 5.8. Then I'm going to solve it for x. So I have my calculator next to me, and 5.8 goes to the other side, and I multiply cosine 43 degrees by 5.8 to get the value of x, and it is correct to three significant figures, 4.24 meters. Let's start with the second one. Again, a right angle triangle. The given angle is 60 degrees. The wanted one is the opposite side, and given side length is hypotenuse, and I'm thinking SOYGÜR, and I have an angle opposite side and hypotenuse, and sine is going to be useful in this question. So sine 60 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is x over 32. Again, I have an equation. I'm going to solve it for x. 32 goes to the other side by times. So sine 60 degrees is going to be multiplied by 32 to have my x value, which is correct to three significant figures. I use my scientific calculator, write down what you see, and do approximation as wanted in the question. It is 27.7 centimeters. Okay, so let's continue with the question 3. Again, a right angle triangle. An angle is given. The opposite side, we know it, 8.7 centimeters, and the adjacent side, which is x, to be found. So I am going to use opposite and adjacent in tangent. So tangent 36 degrees equals opposite over adjacent, which is 8.7 over x. And this is an equation. I'm going to leave x alone. First of all, if it is confusing for you, you can take x to the other side. It goes by times. Then take tan 36 to the other side by dividing. And x is calculated by 8.7 over tangent 36 degrees. You are going to write down what you see in your calculator, and according to the three significant figures, our answer is 12.0 centimeters. Finding an unknown angle. Here we have three right angle triangles. In each of them we have two side lengths known, And in each of them, we have to find the unknown angle labeled by x. So we will use trigonometrical functions to find the answers. Let's start with the question 1. I'm going to label the sides according to the angle x, and 5 is the opposite side. X and 12 is the hypotenuse. Then I'm going to write somewhere SOYGÜR. This is going to help me to decide sine, cosine or tangent is going to be useful in my question. So here opposite and hypotenuse must be used together, so sine will work. I'm writing sine of what? Sine of the angle, and this angle here is x. I'm going to find it. Sine of x equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is 5 over 12. Now I have a new situation because unknown is within the function sine of x. So how to find x in this equation? I need the opposite of sine. So this can be done by using your scientific calculator. So first press shift button, then press sine button, and you will see inverse of sine. And you're going to write the ratio 5 over 12 within the bracket and make it equal to, the answer is going to be your x value. When you press equal sign, your answer correct to 3 significant figures, you're going to see it. Here we have 24.6 degrees. Okay, let's continue with question 2. Again, I'm going to label the sides. I know hypotenuse, which is 9.6. I know 6.4, which is the adjacent side, and hypotenuse and adjacent together is here, so in K. So I'm choosing cosine of x, and it is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 6.4 over 9.6. Again, the unknown is here. I'm going to leave x alone by finding the inverse cosine of the value. So first press on your calculator, first press shift, then press cos button, and you will see inverse cos. And within the bracket, write down the ratio, and you'll have your answer x, which is, according to the 3 significant figures, 48.2 degrees in this question. And the last one here, according to x, angle x, the opposite side is given 5 centimeters. The adjacent side 12.5 centimeters is given. So opposite and adjacent is used here. So tan will work. Tan of x equals opposite over adjacent is the formula. So 5 over 12.5. Again, I need the angle, so I need the inverse operation of tan. First press shift button, then press tangent button, and you will see inverse tan on your display. And within the bracket, you're going to write the ratio, and this will give you the answer. And it is, according to the 3 significant figures, 21.8 degrees.